Okay, we got a Toyota Corolla with a overheating issue and a ABS light issue. I found that the radiator was fairly empty, less than half full of coolant. After topping off the coolant and pressure testing the system, I found a small leak from a hose, which I will get to in a minute after I let the vehicle back down. The ABS came up as a code for a right front wheel speed sensor error. And this one was quite obvious. I mean, this is the wheel speed sensor right here. It's rubbing on the wheel and it's rubbed straight through the wiring. So we're gonna have to replace this ABS sensor and get it tied over properly where it's supposed to be. That'll get rid of the ABS issue. Now let me pause and show the coolant leak. Okay, back to the coolant leak. So we can see signs right here of coolant leaking, and as well down there, if you can see, it's all green in that area on the bottom, and it was wet. This clamp right here was loose, and it was leaking water out of there, or coolant. That's the only thing I can see as of right now. After pressure testing the system, that's the only leak I found. But it could be the cause over time of it draining half the radiator down and not being able to cool the engine. I've been running it for almost an hour now after tightening that clamp and refilling the system, and it's run completely at temperature.